Dear students, welcome to my channel Math from Basic. Dear student, exercise 1b of chapter number 1. It's question number 3 of intermediate level. Find the largest whole number. We have to find the largest whole number which is a factor of both 42 and 98. It means that we have to find that number which can divide 42 and 98, and it should be the largest number. So we will take its HCF to find that largest number which can divide 42 and 98. Let us find its HCF. Dear students, see the data. Largest whole number which is factor. We have to find the largest whole number which is factor, and given the numbers are 42 and 98. Let us find HCF. We know that we have to find HCF to find the largest factor of any two numbers, or any 3 or any 4. Let us find HCF, and I am adopting my usual method of division for finding HCF. And you will write both the number like this, and then you will choose a prime number which can divide both of these. That prime number should be common for those. So you know that for finding HCF we take only common numbers. We will not take not common number. So you will divide it by any common prime number. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, such number which are not divisible by any other number. So I am going to divide by 2. When 42 is divided by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. And 98 when divided by 2, 2 4s are 8 and 1 carry 18, 2 9s are 18, 49 here. Now which number can divide both? If you choose 2, it is not possible to divide these exactly. If you choose 3, then 3 can only divide 21. It can't divide 49. So you can't choose 3. Then we will not choose 4 and 5 can't divide any of these. Then we will not choose 6 because 6 is not a prime number. And we can choose 7. 21 is divisible by 7. 7 3s are 21, and 49 is also divisible by 7. 7 7s are 49. So we can choose 7. 7 3s are 21, and 7 7s are 49. Now you can see that here 3 is a prime number and 7 is also a prime number, and these are divisible by their self only. So we will not get any number that can divide both of these. So we will stop here. These are two common prime number which can divide both of these number exactly. They will give us our HCF. So HCF are highest factor, is equal to 2 multiplied by 7. Now multiply these. 2 7s are 14. So our answer is 14. You can see that 42 is divisible by 14 and 98 is also divisible by 14. No any other number which is greater than 14 can divide 42 and 98 exactly. Now let us do second question. Now dear students, question number 4 of 1b exercise is the number 792 and 990 written as the product of their prime factor. Two numbers are given here, 792 and 990, and their product of prime factor is given here. Product of prime factor of 792 is 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 11. He has given us product of their prime factors, and he has made our work easier by giving this. This is the 792's product of prime factor, and then here 992 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. These are the prime factors of 990. Hence find the greatest whole number. We have to find the greatest whole number. It means that we have to find HCF. that can divide both 792 and 990 exactly. Both of these number can be divided by that. It is the same question as we have done in question number 3. Now let us solve it. This student, we have to find the greatest whole number which can divide both of these 792 and 990. Now let us find, as the product of their prime factors is given. I am going to write product of prime factor of 792. 792 can be written in the form of product of its prime factor. That prime factors are given here: 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 11 raised to power, let it is 1. Now 990, the product of its prime factor is 2 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 2, then 5 raised to power 1, then 11 raised to power 1. Now here is not given 5. You can write here 5 raised to power 0 here for your convenience. Now you can find HCF. You will take lowest power of these bases. Lowest power, you will see that 2 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 3. Lowest power here is 2 raised to power 1. It means that 2 is common in both of these, so you will take it as such. Now from these threes you will take lower power, and here you will see that 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2 is same power in both. It means that 3 raised to power 2 is common in both of these numbers, so you will take these. And 5 raised to power 1 and 5 raised to power 0, which one is common? 5 raised to power is common in both of these, this one and this one, so you will take lower power 5 raised to power 0 here. Then 11 raised to power 1, 11 raised to power 1, in both of these numbers 11 raised to power 1 is common, so you will take 11 raised to power 1 here. Now you can multiply these and you will get your answer. You know that 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, and 5 raised to power 0 means that is equal to 1. 11 raised to power 1 is 11. Now you will multiply these and you will get your answer. 2 and 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 multiplied by 1 18, then 11, 18 multiplied by 11, 11 multiplied by 18, what is the answer? Let us solve it. 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8 and 1 1s are 1. Now add these 8 9 8 and 1 9, 1 here, 198. Your final answer is 198. That is HCF. Dear student, you can check it. If you want to check it, you can check it. 198 should be divided by the number 792 should be divided by 198, and the number 990 should be divided by 198. Both of these number will be exactly divisible by this 198 and the remainder will be 0. Dear student, now read question number 5. The number 176 and 342 written as the product of their prime factors. Here are again two numbers and these are written in the form of their prime factors. 179 is written in the form of product of prime numbers. 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 11, and 342 has its prime number in the form of exponent 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 19. We have to find here smallest whole number that is divisible by both 1 7, 6 and 342. Dear student, you should understand the statement. Here he is saying that you have to find the smallest whole number. The number should be smallest, but it should be divisible by. It means that these numbers are greater, and that number which we will find, that will be greatest of both of these number, and these number can divide that number. So we have to find the smallest whole number, that is called LCM. So then we will find LCM, and LCM will be divisible by both of these. Here was the greatest whole number, and the whole number was smaller of these two numbers. But in LCM, the number that we find, LCM is always greater, or at least it is equal to any one of the numbers, and that LCM can be divided by both of these numbers. But in case of HCF, HCF is the number that can divide the given number. These given numbers are greater, and our HCF is always smaller than these number, or it may be equal to any one of the number that is given from in your data. And HCF always divides the given number, but LCM is divided by the given number. LCM is always greater, but HCF is always smaller than the given number. Yes, students, see the data. Given numbers are 176 and 342. Smallest whole number that is divisible by the given number, we have to find that, and that is called LCM. Now let us write the product of prime factors of these numbers. 176, he has given us 176 as the product of its prime factors as 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 11 raised to power 1, and the second number 342 as 2 raised to power 1, then 3 raised to power 2, then 19 raised to power 1. It means that here you can write 3 raised to power 2 as 3 raised to power 0 of this number, and 19 raised to power 1 here will be 19 raised to power 0. Now we have equivalent number in both of these numbers, because 19 raised to power 0 is equal to 1 and 3 raised to power 0 is also equal to 1. So it doesn't matter if you write here 1, because always by multiplying 1 the number will remain same. You should know that 3 raised to power 0 is also equal to 1, and 19 raised to power 0 is also equal to 1. So I am not increasing the number. Actually, I am making convenient for our study. Now let us find LCM, and we know that for taking LCM from the product of the prime factors, we have to choose the greatest power, and here is the greatest exponent, 2 raised to power 1 or 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is the highest power, and we will choose that, because in finding LCM we have to find the common and not common both. 2 raised to power 1 is common in both of these, but 2 raised to power 4 it has common as well as not common prime numbers. So we will choose 2 raised to power 4 for taking LCM, and 3 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 0 is common in both, but 3 raised to power 2 has both common and not common prime factors in itself. Let you explain. 3 raised to power 2 has 3 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 0 in itself. As 3 raised to power 0 and 3 raised to power 1 are smaller than 3 raised to power 2, so these both of these number will be in it. It contains 3 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 0. So we will take 3 raised to power 2 as our higher power for taking LCM. We will not take these lower powers. Now we see that 11, here we can write 11 raised to power 1, 11 raised to power 0, as 11 raised to power 1 is there. Now you can see that 11 raised to power 19 raised to power 1 is here. It is higher power, and 19 raised to power 0 is lower power. So we will take 19 raised to power 1 as our higher exponent here. Now 11 raised to power 0 is lower than 11 raised to power 1. So we will take 11 raised to power 1 because we are taking LCM, and in LCM we will take higher exponent or higher power. We have chosen 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 number from our given numbers as higher power of the product of its prime of their prime factors. Now dear student, you know that 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 times 2, and you will multiply these. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It means that here is 16. And 3 raised to power 2, it means that here 3 raised to power 2 is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 3 3s are 9. 9 is here, and other numbers are simple. So let us write 2 raised to power 4 as equal to 16, and 3 raised to power 2 as equal to 9, then 19 multiplied by 11. Now you will make its grouping and you will multiply to get your final answer. For our convenience, we will multiply 9 by 11. 9 by 11, after multiplication you will get 9 11s are 99. You can write here 9 11s are 99, and then 16 multiplied by 19, 19 multiplied by 16, both of these will be multiplied. 6 9s are 54, 4 5 carry, 6 1s are 6 and 5 11, 1 9s are 9 and 1 1s are 1. Now add 4, 9 and 1, 9 and 1 makes 10, 1 and 1 2 and 1 3, 304. When I multiplied 19 and 16, it gives me 304. Now 99 will be multiplied by 304. 304 multiplied by 99. 9 4s are 36. 6 3 carry, 9 zeros are 0, and 3 will be written as such. 9 3s are 27. Again the same number will be there because multiplier is 9. So 6 3 7 2. Now add these. 6 here, 9 here, 10, 7 and 3 makes 10, 1 carry 2 and 7 9 and 1 10, 0, 2 and 1 3. It should be our answer. So 30096, it is LCM. Thanks dear student, take care.